Hi, to show and hide caller ID on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to open settings on the phone, then scroll all the way down to select this last section apps, because here we need to find our main phone app. Right now you need to start scrolling down to check this calls category, and then you should see this last section, show my caller ID. So mine is turned on right now because switch is green. Therefore, other people will be able to see my caller ID. If you wanna see no caller ID information, then you need to hide your caller ID. And for that, toggle off the switch by tapping it so it will be white. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.